Hello everyone. In this session we'll see how to download and install Python into your system. So type Python download in your Google browser and then click on download Python. Now you can download Python by clicking on download Python 3.8.3. Your file will be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, click on the file. Now you will have a window. Click on Add Python 3.8 to path. Make sure you have clicked on that option and then click on Install Now. Your Python is in setup process. Now setup is successful. Close. Click on Close. Now to check whether Python is installed, go to Windows into your command window. And then type Python. Now you can see that Python 3.83 is shown. This is how you download and install Python into your system. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you.